Hello, friends! Today you are not only going to be artists, you're going to be scientists too. And we're going to start by looking like a scientist would at the bug that you're going to be drawing. Everybody gets a different bug, and you get what you get, and you don't get upset. We each are going to be thinking about how we can draw this bug. So let's start by looking like scientists. What bug is this? Yes, it's a fly. Now, looking at this fly, I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to trace around the big shapes that I see, like its body. What kind of shape is that? I think it's like an oval. What about its head? It's like a squished oval. But are there any shapes inside the big shape? Yeah, there's two smaller shapes that I can trace. And inside this body, I actually see that there are smaller shapes that are kind of like ovals themselves that make up the body. Now the wing, same thing. I can trace my finger around the wing and it's like a bumpy oval with kind of a flat line here. And it's a bumpy edge. But when I look inside the wing, do you see what I see? Yeah, there's lines coming down. Some curve and some are straight. Some go the entire length of the wing and some are shorter. Let's look at this wing. Similar shape, same bumpy-ish edge, flat at the top on a diagonal. Remember, a diagonal line is one that goes like this, not up and down or side to side. And this also has some curved lines. This line's sort of straight and then it curves. There's some straight lines. How many lines do I see? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8 lines, maybe even a 9th one here. And how many legs? 1, 2, 3. There's one peeking out under here, 4. Oh, there's another little leg here, hidden under the wing. And now let's look at how this bug might feel. How do you think this body would feel? Yeah, I think it would be smooth. But let's look really closely. Do you see these little lines? It sort of looks like this fly is a little bit hairy. How might you draw the hairy texture on the bug? What kinds of lines might you need to use? We've done a really good job looking at this fly. Now it's your turn to look at your bug and to notice the big shapes and then the smaller shapes inside the big shapes, the details like lines, and textures like the furry parts on its body. Have fun, science artists!